Developing in Norfolk, jurors heard from a long list of witnesses today during a more than decade-old murder trial.
Rashad Dooley faces several charges in the shooting death of Old Dominion University student Chris Cummings in 2011. Allison Bazzle heard key testimony today from investigators and Cummings' roommate, Carey.
11 years ago on June 10th, Carey says people kicked down the front door of his home he shared with Chris Cummings. Carey says they shot Chris twice and later shot him multiple times. But Carey says Cummings had a scare hours before the shooting. He says Cummings called him in a panic and asked him to come home. When he arrived, Carey testified he saw a red car in his driveway with two people inside. He says he saw Cummings arguing with a man on the front porch. Last year, Norfolk police arrested the defendant, Rashad Dooley, and 3 other men in this case. Javon Doyle is awaiting a retrial, and a judge dismissed charges against Kwame Edwards and Ahmad Watson. Court officials have said all 4 men are familiar with each other. That night on the porch, Carey testified he saw Cummings arguing with Ahmad Watson. Carey says when the 3 people left, Cummings told him they had been in his room and pulled a gun on him. Then Cummings asked them to leave the house. During cross-examination, Carey told the defense attorney he couldn't make out any identifying features of the red car in his driveway. Court officials have said Cummings sold marijuana and kept cash in a lockbox inside his home. Dooley's attorney says his client has no ties to this homicide case. He says phone records will show Dooley's phone pinging off of cell towers in Hampton during the time of the shooting. In Norfolk, Allison Bazzle, 13 News Now.
Court officials expect Dooley's trial to last until Monday.